friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of a premium gaming laptop from ASUS in India. This is the ASUS FX705 TUF series laptops available in India. So this is a premium gaming laptop. This costs around 1,25,000 rupees in India and comes with top of the line hardware. So we'll do an unboxing, we'll show you the laptop, and we'll highlight some of the aspects of this gaming laptop. So we have the ASUS TUF gaming laptops. It's a box packing, so it's a pretty heavy box package for the TUF series. So we'll just have a look at the specification offered. So it comes with a Core i7 8th Gen processor. It's 8750H processor. It has Windows 10 Home series, and it comes with 8GB RAM, and this is also expandable to 32GB in case if you want to expand it. Then it comes with a 17.3-inch Full HD backlit display, and its IPS LCD panel. It also has NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card with 6GB RAM, and it also comes with 1 TB of hard disk and 256GB SSD is also included. And it also comes with optional illuminated chiclet keyboard. So it's an RGB keyboard, which will show you after unboxing the device. So it also comes with the speakers and other options. So we'll just unbox this. So this is the box package. So we'll open the box. So we have the gunmetal variant of the laptop. So you can see this is the laptop. So we'll just come back to this laptop in a while. So we have the manuals also included, the gaming series manuals also included, and finally we also have the charger head. So this is the adapter charger head for this laptop. So that's all in the box package. So that's the ASUS FX705 TUF series laptop. So this is the gunmetal variant we have. So it looks pretty good in terms of the build quality. It's pretty heavy laptop, but then gaming laptops are obviously heavy. It's around 2.6 kilogram in weight, and it looks pretty good for gaming series. And as soon as you open, you can see that the nano edge display is something which is really good on this laptop. So the bezels are less, even with a 17.3 inches size. You can see that the laptop overall size has been reduced because of the nano edge display, and the material finishing looks really premium and top of the line for the gaming series laptop. So that's the laptop. So we'll just power it on, and you can see that the display quality looks pretty good. It's a matte finish display, and it's in a full HD resolution display. It's a 16:9 aspect ratio, and looks pretty good. The viewing angles are also quite good, and the nano edge makes the bezels lesser than the standard laptop. Now we have the chiclet kind of keyboard. You can see that the backlit is RGB lighting, so you can see it keeps on changing. You can actually configure all those things. So it comes with the IPS nano edge display, then 144 Hertz refresh rate for the display, and hypercool technology is also included. Then 7.1 surround sound is also available on this laptop, and RGB Aura keyboard, which we are shown right now. So the Aura keyboard, we have also seen the RGB Aura, not the keyboard, the lighting we have seen on the ASUS ROG phone as well, so which we reviewed on this channel. So it also comes with a military layer grade, that is toughness certification is also included. So that's the laptop. So you can see that looks really nice. We have the trackpad, and the design actually looks pretty good. You can see that design looks quite good and impressive. Now the display quality, we're pretty impressed with the display quality, because the previous ASUS TUF series laptop we reviewed was kind of a mid-range laptop around 70K. So the display quality on that laptop was not that great, but here you could see the display quality is much improved. But obviously you're paying almost double the pricing, so obviously display quality should be high. And this is a massive 17.3 inches display, so obviously gaming would be really great on this laptop. Now typing is pretty good. The chiclet keyboard is pretty responsive and does the job pretty well, and the travel for the keyboard is also pretty good. So we are not doing any gaming right now, so that we'll do a later stage. When we do the review, we'll do that later. But then right now we're just doing a hands-on, and we'll showing all the features of this laptop. So in terms of the ports available on this laptop, so you get the regular LAN port, then you have HDMI port, then there are 3 USB ports. So one is the USB 2.0 port, and the other 2 are USB 3.0 port, and you also get the headphone jack available. So overall this is a good gaming laptop in this price segment with top of the line hardware. It also comes with SSD, 6GB RAM of dedicated RAM for the graphics card, and 8GB RAM, and also we can expand it to 32GB in case you want to expand the RAM for even better performance. So overall this is priced 1,24,990 rupees. That's almost 1,25,000 in India, and this is available online as well as offline. So if you're looking for a premium ASUS FX gaming series laptop, this ASUS TUF FX705 is definitely a good option to consider. So that's all guys with unboxing and hands-on with the ASUS TUF series gaming laptop. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Normal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.